Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by capturing clean source audio so the model learns your natural voice. Use a directional mic and a pop filter and sit in a quiet room. This reduces noise and room tone. Record a 1 to 2 minute script that covers pitch, pace, and emotional variance. This helps the AI reproduce natural prosody. Once done, export WAV or FLAC at 44. 1 or 48 kHz and 16 or 24-bit, and make sure the file is normalized but not clipped. Next, you configure and train the voice model so it maps audio features to output. Pick either a fine-tune workflow on an open-source model or a commercial voice clone API. Each has trade-offs in control and safety. Upload your labeled audio plus transcripts, then set style parameters like pitch range and speaking rate. These guide synthesis. Start the training or adaptation, watch validation metrics, and export quick test renders frequently so you can tweak parameters early and prevent overfitting. Finally, you synthesize final outputs and polish them for release. Generate multiple samples using different prompts and prosody cues, then audition them side by side with your original for fidelity. Apply post-processing, EQ to remove muddiness, gentle compression, de-essing, and a touch of room reverb, to make the voice sit naturally in mixes. If you hear artifacts or robotic timbre, retrain with more diverse recordings or lower the adaptation strength. This troubleshooting step usually fixes unnatural results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.